William, Jake and Sophie TV. William, Jake and Sophie TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. It's been 2 days since I last recorded. Today it's Sunday the 12th of May. My mother was meant to close yesterday, but look, it says this. So I took a slingshot about moana. So this attraction is closing. It was meant to close on the 11th of May, but no, it's closing delayed to 1st of June. That's how this video. I think Frosty. So I think Frosty will have to watch this. See this moana bench close delayed, because that video is going to be called moana close delayed video about that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, for talking about this, and I'll see you in the next episode video. Bye. William, Jake and Sophie TV. Subscribe and like to the channel. Bye.